Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we'll see the different platforms which we can use for creating different types of digital products and setting up online businesses, which we're going to do with the help of these AI tools. So let's have a look at it. So I'm going to suggest three most effective and the best platforms in the world which you can make use of to start this freelancing journey for yourself. So the first one which we're going to look at is Fiverr. So let's look at that. Fiverr is a online platform. It's a global platform, guys, where anybody can come here and open an account and become a freelancer. Okay, so any kind of skills you may have, anything which you have as a service which you can provide, you can start with that and open an account with them. So here you can come and you can see there are different types of services for which people are asking. So it's a platform where on one side you work as a freelancer providing services. On the other hand, there are businesses who are looking for this service. So they will connect with you. So what you're supposed to do here is you create a profile or a gig over here, which explains your services which you want to provide. So you can see there are different categories in which there are different segments in which you can provide services out here. So this is the website where we'll have to come. And what you can do is you can go to become a seller. So you're providing services. So you're giving those services. So that's why it becomes a seller. Okay, you will have a seller account and you can see a gig is about 4 seconds. So you have to create a gig is like a profile which describes your background, your expertise, your skills. You create that over here in this manner. You can see these are all different type of people who have already created their gigs on this platform. And you can see the range and the magnitude and the amount of money which you can make over here, right? Okay, so this is really powerful, extremely effective, where you can come easily and you can sign up and open an account. And I will show you in the coming videos how to open an account, how to look for opportunities, how we can create different types of digital products with the help of the ChatGPT and MidJourney tools and set up or provide our services through this platform. So this is one of the best platforms which you can certainly start your work with. The second one which you want to see is Upwork.com. Now, Upwork has been an old platform. They have been in this industry for a pretty long time. I would say the oldest in freelancing field specifically, which is used for the same purposes where people can come and open an account as a freelancer and provide their services online across the globe. So you can do the same thing over here. You just need to sign up over here as a freelancer. Okay, you can say looking for work. Okay, and then you set up the whole account. And then again, you create a profile over here describing your skills and expertise. And you can then provide your services, sell your digital products. All that can happen from this platform as well. So these are two best platforms, I would say, for freelancing services, which you can provide currently available across the globe. The third one is going to be Etsy. Etsy is basically an online store which you can set up. So as you can see, this is very artistic and elegant and design specific website where what we do is we can build out a particular store for ourselves, okay, where we are selling different types of high design products. So for example, let's say we're looking at kids costumes. Okay, so now you can see there are different types of kids costumes over here, okay, provided. And let's say we are looking at one of them, which is this one, okay, two-sided cape. So if you see this, this particular business is ideally from a company called Moimili. So Moimili has a store on Etsy. So these are the kind of products which they're selling, right? So we can also do the same thing where we can build out open a store, an online store where we're selling digital products or physical products as well. And with the help of ChatGPT and MidJourney, we can design those products and then sell them online like an e-commerce business which we're running. So this works like an e-commerce online store platform which you can create here. And this can generate revenue for you by selling those products which you are building out here. So I will take you through all of this as well in the coming videos. We will see how you can make use of these three platforms. I hope this makes sense. You understand now. These are the three best platforms to start with in this journey of building any kind of AI-based online businesses for yourself. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this, and I will see you in the next video.